Thank you very much for your overwhelming response to my last video, which is about unbottling emotions and unmasking in relationships. How to address our hurts. मैंने बात कही थी कि हमें बात करके रिजॉल्व कर लेना चाहिए, पर मेरे फ्रेंड्स का ये क्वेश्चन था कि अक्सर ये देखा जाता है कि जब हम बात करने जाते हैं तो बात और बिगड़ जाती है और आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो जाती है और मे बी यू एंड अप लूजिंग द पर्सन फॉर लाइफ, क्योंकि वो इंसान शायद एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता अपनी मिस्टेक या हम उस तरह से कह नहीं पाते जो हम कहना चाहते हैं। नाउ हियर द क्वेश्चन कम्स, हम अनजान लोगों से हर्ट नहीं होते, हम हर्ट सिर्फ उन्हीं से होते हैं जिनके साथ हमारा अटैचमेंट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, जो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मायने रखते हैं, जिनकी हमारी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है। सो जिसके साथ आपको रिश्ता निभाना है, जिसके साथ आपको ज़िंदगी काटनी है या जो रिश्ता उम्र भर का है, वहाँ पे रिजॉल्व करना इज़ ऑलवेज बेटर देन मूविंग अवे। सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वॉज कि coping mechanism and different people apply different rules. Some people have it like we call it fight mode. They fight it over, they have confrontation, they talk about it, they address the issue and they get over with it, resolve it and amicably live happily ever after. That's actually the best way. Even if you don't raise your voice and you don't become angry, but you sit, resolve it, confront each other, make each other say sorry or accept mistakes and also promise each other not to repeat it, ये बेस्ट तरीका है। दूसरा है, कई लोग फ्लाइट मोड कहते हैं कि वो वहाँ से कट लेते हैं कि भाई मैं तो डील ही नहीं कर सकता ये सिचुएशन। सो दैट इज अगेन रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम द रियलिटी that will not resolve anything and you will continue getting hurt or hurting the person. Third is, as my friend said, she withdraws herself, she just cuts herself or she moves away from the situation and she doesn't further involve। यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत ज़रूरी बात कहनी है and I'm addressing your answer here my dear friend। जब हम उसको अनरिजॉल्व हर्ट को अपने दिल में रखते हैं ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, ये हमारा स्ट्रेस में बदल जाता है, ये हमारे बहुत सारी बीमारियों में बदल जाते हैं। पीपल हु डोंट bring out their stresses or hurts or losses in life, they don't speak about it, they are not vocal about it, they tend to have diseases which can be mental health, they can be anxiety disorders, they can be asthma, there can be diseases related to your lungs, breathing problems, skin disorders, allergies. They will have multiple problems because your body will react to it. You have collected this negative energy inside you and that circulates in your body and it will eventually come out as a disease. So always try to speak about it. Okay, if you are not comfortable talking to the same person, you can sit with your friend or somebody, speak your mind out, speak your heart out, bring out that hurt. Don't keep it to yourself, don't keep holding it, don't keep bottled up. Third thing that I want to say, जब हम कहते हैं डीप लिसनिंग, यहाँ कनेक्शन ऐसे नहीं कि मैंने आपसे बोला और वो आपका ट्रॉमा रिजॉल्व हो गया, इतनी आसान नहीं होता ये। उसके लिए द पर्सन लिसनिंग टू यू हैज़ टू कनेक्ट एट ए वेरी डीप लेवल वेयर I give 100% attention and my presence apart from all gadgets, from phones, from emotional wandering, from anything. I'm there physically, emotionally for you to understand your hurt, and at least an hour of deep listening will help you understand somebody's problem without interrupting, without intervening, without confronting, without arguing, without giving any suggestion. Just listening at a deep level. This you can do even with a very close friend. And if it continues to hurt you and the hurt is of a very deep level, you should seek therapy. You should go to a professional who will help you tackle it in a much more professional way. So my dear friends, don't keep bottling up your hurts, don't keep bottling up your emotions. Speak them out, take them out, do a lot of deep breathing, do mindful practices. Mindful practices are nothing but connecting with your breath. Your mind and body should be together at the same time. Mostly you would see that you are physically here, but your mind is somewhere else. When you bring your thoughts and you connect them with your breathing, practicing it 5 to 10 minutes a day to begin with, mindful walking, mindful eating will help you come out of this, and addressing and accepting your hurts is very important. I have mentioned repeatedly go to therapists, but at least address your issues if you don't go to therapists. I hope this helps, and if it is adding some value and you still want to continue talking about it, we can take it further. And please send your questions, your suggestions, your concerns. We will definitely address them. Thanks a lot for connecting and encouraging me to bring this kind of content. This is Indu Punj signing off.